to be an actor, like where do they start?
Yeah.
Hey, bra, yabo mfethu mofuna ube actor. It's hard to say mfana this thing. It's because I feel like personally fit kukuwe how you gonna go about it.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say move to Joburg. Uzofika uzowenzana lapho uzawuphakwa ngotsotsi. Uyabo?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say I'm at Durban or what. I think qala mfethu ngezinto nje ezibasic kungcono ngokhona ne-social media ungabethi monologues, you tag people, that person, you talk to that person gives you a better advice, yabo. Or maybe go to a training center, yabo, like I know at Durban there's KK, I know in Joburg there's Market Laboratory, you know, there's people that are actually having indawo apho ukwazi ufunda khona acting. You can start up there, yabo. Ukwazi ukuthatha skill sakho and sharpen it, wazi ba yintoni monologue, yabo. Xa ufuna monologue ufunwa ntoni, xa ufuna yeah